Alrighty, so 17 years ago I played a bridge building game and fell completely in love with it. Now back then that meant I had to make my own so I could figure out how it worked. So I ended up making this in Delphi 2, which ported really well, instantly to Lazarus. It was a very simple version of the bridge building game, didn't have hydraulics or anything, but you could build a bridge, you could test it, see the stresses that came out, you could start a train. There was even random terrain generation, which I was so proud of, but it was useless because there was no effect on anything. But the physics engine never quite acted right. Things wanted to violently go towards the left for some reason. I never figured that out back then. So over the next few years, I decided to try different physics engines and different game engines because they surely had to be the ones at fault. I made an iPhone 1 port using Box2D. I made a web OS version using Chipmunk physics engine. But still, no dice. You're probably spotting a pattern here, but anyway. This morning I thought, hey, let me try polish a turd and make it in Unity. So I present to you BRON. It's not only a super intelligent joke, because BRON means the bridge in Swedish, but it also helps explain away the fact I went a little bit crazy with the bloom. And you could make it North Bridge, South Bridge. You could have a data Venga bus going across. I don't know. Seeing as my physics engine was only 200 lines in Pascal, it converted really easily to C# because maths ports really easily. What this also had was automatic rail detection. So you're currently moving across this line, and the only other option is to go down, so it's also a rail. But if you start moving on, you see it becomes support material. So it has the basic features where you can view the stress and make a train go across, or not across, more than likely fall into water. Oh yeah, and my physics engine even catered for things floating in water. Now, yeah, you may have seen a piece try launch up. That's because the wheels on the train go round and round and actually try launch it into space. Anyway, I'm pretty happy with the way things are for, well, a 2-hour hackathon thing. I'd love to actually continue working on this if I'm allowed, and add things like viruses where they eat away pieces of your bridge as it's going across. I don't know. I figure it could be fun. I also didn't restrict the length of segments, as I call them, because it's far more fun being unrestricted and be able to make any kind of roller coaster you'd like. But I think this is it for now, and it's time to actually get started on Puppy Rain. So I'm sorry guys, it's a watery death for you.